Hello everyone. In today's class, we will solve another illustration on departmental accounts. So, here is a problem. Mayur Dress Limited having two departments, cloth department and ready-made cloth department. So, ready-made cloth department gets all its requirements of cloth from the cloth department at the usual selling price. On 31st December 2019, following was the trial balance. So opening stock of cloth department 80,000, ready-made cloth department 4,500, transfer of cloth 50,000, purchases cloth department 11 lakh, ready-made department 10,000, directors fees 30,000, wages cloth department 20,000, ready-made department 40,000, rent and rates, that is 3/4 to cloth department 8,000, lighting 3/4 to cloth department 2,000, depreciation cloth department 5,000, ready-made department 1,000, office salary 16,000, furniture 20,000, office expenses 3,000, equipment 50,000, carriage inwards on cloth 66,000, investment 1 lakh, cash 54,000, share capital 2 lakh, sales cloth department 12 lakh 50,000, ready-made department 1 lakh 50,000, transfer of cloth 50,000, income from investment 9,500, total 16 lakh 59,500, closing stock cloth department 96,000, ready-made department 7,500, cloth at cost to the respective department. Trading conditions and accounting methods in 2019 were same as 2018. Prepare final accounts. So now we have to prepare, first of all we have to prepare departmental trading and profit and loss account for the year ending 31st March 2019. Opening stock cloth department 80,000, ready-made department 4,500. So 4,500 ಇರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಟ್ ನೋಡಿ depreciation cloth department 5,000, ready-made department 1,000, total 6,000. Okay, 5,000, 1,000, total 6,000. Next, now net profit 1,17,500, cloth department, ready-made department 48,913, total 1,66,413. Next, general profit and loss account. So by departmental profit and loss account, so net profit ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ 1,17,500, 48,913, total 1,66,413. Next, directors fees ಅಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, directors fees ಮತ್ತು office salary, office expenses. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಜನರಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಫೀಸ್ 30,000, ಆಫೀಸ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ 16,000, ಆಫೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ 3,000. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ 278 ಹೇಗೆ ಈಗ closing stock at cloth department was 7,500. So total stock reserve required on it is 7,500 into at the rate of 11.538%. So how much? 865. Okay, the stock reserve is required. So but opening stock ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವಲ್ವಾ 587. ಸೊ 865 ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ನ ಮೇಲೆ 587 ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈಗ ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು 278. ಸೊ ನೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ರಿಸರ್ವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ಇಸ್ 865 minus 587, 278. So stock reserve on closing stock is 278. To stock reserve 278. Okay. Income from investment 9500 income side ಅಲ್ಲಿ credit side of profit and loss account. So total 1,75,913. Balance 1,26,635. Now balance sheet as at 31st December 2019. Furniture 20,000. Equipment 50,000. Investments 1 lakh, closing stock, clothes department 96,000, ready-made department 7,500, less the stock reserve. Okay, stock reserve na minus ಮಾಡಿಗ 7,500 minus 865 stock reserve in closing stock of ready-made department. So total 6,635. Cash 54,000. Next liability side, share capital 2 lakh, profit and loss account. So general profit and loss account. Profit is to 1,26,635. Total 3,26,635.